a blue truck today. Last week it was orange.
What just happened, Jake? What just happened?
Is it still there? Yeah, can you see? Can I hold him up? I know, it's still our neighbors. Can I hold him up?
Yeah.
Okay, here, look. He's got a lot of garbage there. Oh my goodness. These are the neighbors. Oh,
What's happening, Jake?
There, goes to the next house. Oh my goodness. This is...
What's exciting?
More.
Next week. Next Wednesday.
Jacob, what are you excited about? What happened?
Pick up.
What picked up? What picked up?
Trash. Silly.
Was that the garbage truck?
Again.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Again.